So if you let this go too quick, you're gonna pop up and you're gonna end up all the way down here somewhere. Oh, shit.
What's up, guys? How are you guys doing today? Today we're gonna be doing something not slightly different, but first time, you'll see what I'm talking about. We're gonna be teaching somebody how to ride a dirt bike today. So like, it's not really different, but it's like, I don't really be teaching people. I never made a vlog of teaching somebody how to do anything. You feel me? So teaching them how to ride will be something new for the channel. I think it'll be something fun. It'll be something dope to do. We're gonna be teaching him. He has never rode anything in his life, guys. I'm talking about nothing. Like no motorcycle, no dirt bike, no. He hasn't rode anything, honestly. So this should be fun. He's looking to buy a bike in the future, so we're gonna get his skills up and sharpened now. So when he does go buy a bike, he'll be ready. You feel me? And he's gonna be on my bike today. He's gonna be on a, I was about to say YZ, a CR85 big wheel. Hopefully he don't fall, you know, because he is on my bike. So, but if he falls, guys, it is what it is. Hopefully he doesn't though. We don't want nobody falling, nobody getting hurt. Helmets on always. So if he does fall, damn. But I think he'll be fine. I don't think he's gonna fall. But before we get into all that, guys, I got some errands that I actually need to run. I got some stuff that I need to do. When we actually go get them and link up and get to our spot, we're just gonna dive right into it, guys. We're not gonna get no run around, none of that extra stuff. We're just gonna dive right into it, guys. So, like I said, hopefully you don't fall, because I don't feel like buying new stuff. But I'm a good teacher. So, right now, before the video starts, guys, I need you guys to like, comment, share, subscribe. All that, guys, do as you guys do best. I appreciate everything you guys been doing, watching, subscribing. We've been getting up there. Don't forget, 1,000. We're swimming with the sharks, baby. So, not playing either. Not playing. We were serious about the skydive. We're actually gonna go skydiving again. I'm gonna save that for another video. But we're serious about that. I'm serious about swimming with the sharks, guys. So make sure you get us to 1,000 subscribers. Tell your friends to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell another friend, to tell their grandma. You feel me? So, like, comment, share, subscribe, guys. Do what you guys do best, and hope you enjoy the vlog.
Oh, all right. So listen, you can let go of it now. All right. So this is the front. All right, that's how you go. This your front brake here. Feel me? Back brake. This one. So put your foot on it. Put your foot on it. So like tap it down and everything down. That's the brake. Your clutch here. If you want to go or stop, you pull this in first. You feel me?
What you mean if you want to do what?
So if you want to go, you have to pull this in first. Kick it in gear. Then like you let it out slowly. You feel me?
And that's first gear.
Yeah, that's first gear, but you have to click that down first when you do it. And if you want to stop, you pull this in, then hit the brakes. Because if you just hit the brakes without pushing this in, the bike just gonna cut off on you. I mean, you don't want that.
Pull this and hit the brake.
Yeah, pull this one, then hit the brake. Your brakes are on this side. This is how you go, and this is how you stop on this side. And this is how you shift and everything on this side.
Right.
You feel me? You feel me? So start it up. Oh, shit.
Harder.
Give it a little bit of gas when you do it. Alright, so you pull that clutch in. Pull that clutch in. Pull it in. All the way in. You click that down. Yeah, you click that down, but keep that in though. Keep this in. Click it down.
All the way down?
Yeah. You felt that?
Yeah.
Alright, so now it's in gear. So if you let this go too quick, you're gonna pop up and you're gonna end up all the way down here somewhere. So you wanna let this out slowly and give it some gas. A little bit of gas though. Not too much. Don't have it screaming, but just a little, yeah, like a little something like that. You wanna let this go slow. When I say slow, for your first time, you ever try like creep into your room or something, but you don't want the door to squeak? You gotta do it that slow. Feel me? So do that and give it some gas. Just a little bit of gas though.
I felt it.
Yeah, when it get quiet, that's when you. So now, how about this? Just pull this in because it's in gear. Now kick it.
Oh, it's already in gear.
Yeah. Yeah, this gotta be all the way in. If you don't want to go nowhere, that gotta be all the way in. So let it out slowly and give it a little bit of gas. Just keep filling it out until you move it.
Yeah, you. Oh, all right.
You feel me?
I got this shit.
You got it, bro. Pull that clutch in, remember? Because it's in gear.
Yeah, where the fuck Jules and them go with my truck?
Not a clue. Let it go slowly, real slow.
How far is slow? Like right here? Like right here? Or?
Just when it's getting quiet, you want to give it some more. Yeah, just
All right.
not crazy, Taz, little pep Lil Jones. How about this? What are you gonna do? I'm gonna put you back in neutral now. All right, now you don't have to hold this in. Just kick it. You should be good now. You see? I got you. Kick it. Pull that clutch in. Now click down. Click it down first.
All right, come on. we back.
Yeah, I knew it was gonna happen. I knew that was gonna happen. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
That's why you get that helmet on.
Yeah. Well, we back.
We back. Oh my God! What happened? What happened? Damn!
we back.
Yeah, I knew it was gonna happen. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. You good?
I'm good.
That's why you get that helmet on.
Yeah, we back.
We back. Leak dick this shit. You good? Listen, you gonna fall. That's part of the game.
Yeah.
You gonna fall.
See,
Just
now I know where it's at though.
yeah, don't give it too much.
You supposed to shift.
Oh, yeah,
Just like
right,
get when you going.
First, you going straight to power band.
Yeah, when you going, just give it like pat and let it calm down. Pat.
When you hear that shit go, like, you want to shift.
Shift up.
Yeah.
I missed it. My man Willie from back there to up here.
Right here.
My man was barking it. My man was barking it. My man was barking that shit.
So I hit it.
He gonna pull
Pull the gas.
Damn
man.
right.
So as soon as I ran through,
As soon as you hear that engine going up too much, you gonna go straight.
Yeah.
As soon as you hear the engine,
Listen, how about this?
as soon as you hear the RPMs go up too fast, clutch.
Shit. I got you. Listen. You good? Yeah. Around. He's stiffer than a motherfucker. There you go. Bro, he slid from up there to here. Oh. Yeah, when you enter in that power band region. Oh. Bro. He'd be good though. Oh. Now hit the brakes. There you go. You just let the clutch go. Yeah, turn off. So how you feeling?
That was way easy. I mean, so but now, all right. So that was 1 and 2.
Uh-huh.
That was 1 and 2. I don't want to hit the thing right here.
I mean, you could, but I wouldn't recommend you to.
Right.
You mean, so.
All right, so let me try to start it up again and put it in next gear and all that shit.
No, let him do it.
I know.
All right, so
Put it in neutral form.
Yeah, let him do it. I don't know how to put it in.
You know how to ride first. So, start it up.
Turn the bike that way first.
No, don't put it in gear yet. All right, start that John up.
That can't go on the vlog.
That can't go on the It's going on a vlog. You feel me?
He said,
It's going on a vlog. Zay, don't think I forgot about you either.
That was accidental. When I fell off, it was a
You don't
truck
put
behind
it.
me.
You don't put it in gear until.
Yeah, not
I
yet.
mean, down is in gear.
Down
No,
and then up.
Down, then
So
up.
it's 1 down.
Everything
5
up.
Fuck you mean?
Go down. First gear.
Click this
Up,
literally.
up, second gear.
All
Up,
right.
third gear.
Alright.
Fourth
So
gear.
right now, it ain't in shit. But
It ain't in
how you-
shit.
I mean, how'd you take it out of first gear? Like,
You have to go between first and
1
second.
2 is neutral.
You mean like so like 1.5? You feel me? That's neutral.
I'm saying, like, remember when the joint cut off and it was in first? So how'd you put it back in?
So you would go all the way down.
Halfway.
Then yeah, like a little baby kick up. You feel me?
So
So now it's in 1.
Hold on. I mean, move them forward
straight up,
first.
You come up second. Well, if you come, put it back down to first. If you come up halfway, it's a neutral.
You feel me?
I gotta feel it.
So when you turn it on, it's gonna be a neutral, and then you click down 1, you're in first gear.
Then you
Right.
click back
And then
up
you
second gear.
Click up, then the rest is up.
Then second,
Second,
third, fourth, fifth.
You mean?
So after that,
So after you click down once, you don't gotta click it down no more, because you're just gonna click. You're just gonna.
You ain't gonna go nowhere.
You ain't gonna go
Right.
You gotta go up. So you want to upshift. You know what I
1
mean?
down, 5 up.
I got you. Now what you mean, 1 down, 5 up.
Don't get.
And just a little bit of gas. A little baby jump. You feel me? Put a clutch in. I gotta see that first fall, man. That man does something crazy. Yeah, he came up the first time, then he put it back down. That shit is I think the GoPro on.
Oh shit, yo, damn. Damn.
Sorry, start falling off.
He said, yo. Damn, yo.
That shit can't. That shit can't stop everything. I ain't forget about you.
Oh, no.
Forget about you, Zay. You almost died.
Exactly. You trying to record a death scene on my shit.
Yo.
Fuck out of here.
You almost died, bro.
Fucking GTA 4 on my shit.
Damn.
They was on the ground like this.
I
You ever
was
see-
like this.
Hey, you ever see how people on Family Guy when they fall down the steps?
Oh shit, it was like that.
That's how I walk. Remember when Peter tried to do Jackass with the go-kart?
Oh shit, yo, yo.
Nigga back arm.
Damn.
Go back to neutral. Every time you stop, go to neutral.
Halfway up, remember?
Well, don't hit me now.
You gotta let the grip snap.
He learning. So how do you feel about teaching him?
He cool. He's all good. I ain't holding no little back plastics.
How much do you cost?
That class not that much. I'm switching to plastic anyway. Get a graphic in there.
He said he burnt my clutch. My goddamn pedals falling off. No, he good.
I can't wait to watch the GoPro footage. Probably gonna be like, oh shit.
Damn. He's like, I told you take the wheel, but not like that. Oh, he learned. Change your gear.
12.
Break.
Back and forth. Back and forth. Now let the fucking go slow. When you get that high, you're gonna have to switch again.
Yeah, whenever you hear the RPM,
Loud.
I felt that it was like.
you can just hear it too. When it get real loud like that, like real high pitch, you want to switch, go up.
Real high, but it was not like a lot of power.
You can't gas it no more. It's not going nowhere. You gotta shift.
I mean, at first, I feel like one of them old head bitches. They was trying to learn how to ride a bike. I did that joint. Yeah.
That, yo, the way you fell was pretty funny.
I gotta see that joint.
Oh, you gonna see it? You gonna see it? Yeah.
At least he still held up to the. He still held up to the handlebars like this.
Damn. Yo, go ahead, Zay, do the dance. What are you doing? Damn.
I said, nah, I ain't getting tossed off.
Yo.
That's what I said when he fell on the bike. He still held up to the handlebars. Like, he was looking back.
He was doing a 2C slide going off that joint.
Doing a worm backwards.
Damn.
No motherfucker see me and shit. Damn.
Yo.
I think you did good. I mean, everybody's gonna fall.
That was because that's the main thing, just knowing, just finding that, you know what I mean? Finding that little tight spot. You don't find that shit.